JJ, rearview mirror now, Nvidia earnings. Rearview mirror, the election. Rearview mirror, the November meeting, which we weren't sure about whether or not the Fed was going to cut. They did. And so now kind of looking out into December meeting, we've still got a few weeks until that December meeting on the 17th and 18th for the Fed. What is the next big catalyst that could really impress this market and give it reason for any type of continued rally from this point?
I think there's two things. Number one, obviously you guys will be talking a lot about a Santa Claus rally possibility. That may be the thing, particularly if we could get a rate cut and some moderate language out of the December meeting. And then I think the real test comes after we turn the calendar into 2025. I'm sorry. And when the president really goes to the State of the Union address, to me, that's one of the most important things, because think about all the things candidates have to say on campaign trails. Well, at the end of the day, you can't get all this stuff done because it can't all be a focus. So what's going to come out when the president takes office is what are truly the 3 to 5 things that are a focus, and how is that going to affect us as we head into the new year? As we started the segment talking about this great momentum that we're getting from Bitcoin and getting from Nvidia, at some point, I think the Bitcoin momentum, if we get through 100,000, will be interesting to see. Can we get there? Do we get there and stop? Can it rocket right through it? And I think that we may see a bit of a delay when we get to 100,000, not so much from a technical level as maybe a psychological level overall. You may have people don't have that FOMO. But I think for the market overall, then it's going to be, there's a high probability of a Santa Claus rally, given it when new presidents come in, and then what happens as we turn the calendar and what are the new priorities for our market.
JJ Kinahan of IG North America. JJ, good to see you here this morning. Thanks for taking the time.
Have a great day.
You too.